I like doing the science and the math and building stuff because it gives me an opportunity to learn stuff and have fun by building it.
For 4 weeks out of the year, kids are given the opportunity to participate in a summer camp, a little different than the rest. NSWC Crane STEM coordinator Tina Klosser says this camp helps promote the value of STEM education in this area.
Down here in our region, we don't really have any STEM camps or not sports related camps, so we decided to give it a try, see if people would be up for doing some STEM things, and really kind of exploded.
This is only the second summer NSWC Crane has offered these camps to regional youth, and students were enrolled from as far as Evansville, Indiana. Klosser says this is because there is a need for STEM-related programs in this region.
The purpose is to whet their appetite for STEM, just let them know that it's fun, kind of give them a sampling. We try to give a sampling of different STEM subjects. We try to kind of run the gamut of all the STEM subjects rather than just focus just on engineering.
Each age group, grades 2nd through 10th, engaged in STEM-related experiments and activities throughout the week.
We built Lego things and we made them come to life, and they like this crocodile one that we made, it chomped. Like if you put your fingers in its mouth, it would chomp it.
I really did like programming the robots to do the obstacle course and go around the squares and stuff.
Some campers designed projects they could use at home.
My project, I did this 3D printing thing that I made like a stand for your phone, so you don't have to like hold it while you're watching a video.
Camper Blaze Oding created a baseball cleat that would be comfortable to wear to practice while implementing the use of the camp's 3D printer.
It was kind of interesting because we got to use this app called 123D Design, and you got to use, which I was kind of experienced in that because I've used 3D modeling before, but it was really fun just seeing the design coming to life.
Student Jenna St. John not only participated in the summer camp, but also volunteered as a helper for the younger students. St. John says it's great watching kids get involved with STEM at such a young age.
I have learned about computer programming just through this one 2nd through 3rd grade group, which is quite incredible because they're so young learning all of these amazing things that I haven't even learned yet.
Students were able to take what they learned at camp and apply it to their everyday lives.
I have Snapshot kits at home and I'll build different things, and sometimes I'll follow a booklet or I do my own stuff and try to make different reactions go, and I'll build Rube Goldbergs also with the stuff I have at home.
Klosser says STEM camp is a great place for children throughout the region to work together and build friendships.
Sometimes I would wonder, like, do these kids know each other from school? Like, I thought they were buddies from school, and it turns out that they just met in camp, and so they really do kind of fall into it. Like, that first day is usually they're real quiet, and like they don't really want to talk to each other, and I don't know. And then we always give them kind of like icebreaker activities, and after that, it's like they're best buds forever. They just like they've been friends for years.
I had a girl that's going into 4th grade named Cadence, and me and her kind of hit it off and were best friends.
It has been great. I've met some new friends this week, and I've just had a lot of fun.
Although the camp is educational, it is also fun. Students say they would recommend this camp to their friends.
I would try to encourage them to go. It's really fun, and it's like I'd never been to a really science camp before, but I think this was really fun because there's like 3D printing and programming, and now I know stuff that I hadn't known before, like how to program and how to 3D print and things like that.
Even though some of these activities were difficult, these students were up for the challenge and learned to persevere.
If you fail, then try to succeed.
3, 2, 1.